going down, negative sign. And to confirm it, if the gray point was here, what would the graph look like? It would look something like this. Midline going down, negative sign. Questions? Anything else on multiple choice to model? Okay, seeing none, let me project the free response answers. Here's the answers to parts A through D. And remember, we're on this free response question right here. So answers to A through D. Brandon, did you pick up a copy of this? The free response question. It's on shelf 3 or shelf 2. No, shelf 3. You want to grab a copy. So here are the answers. Let me zoom it out a little bit. The one that is X'd out in pink is incorrect, but I'm predicting some people wrote that. No, because we're just asking how many times a day does it repeat. So the answer is twice a day. But it's one day, so it's 24 hours. Yeah, good question. Okay, what else can we address here? Any questions on A through D? Brianna, what are you looking at? Why is B negative? Okay, so on the bottom you have 5.3 minus 5.2. That's a positive 0.1. Or did you do 5.2 minus 5.2? So you're good, Brianna. Okay, what else am I looking at for free response? Questions? 22.5 feet. There are multiple ways to think about that. One is graphing. Another way is, remember, maximum is, here's the midline, here's the amplitude. Add those up. Midline, amplitude is distance from midline to max. 15 plus 7.5 is 22.5. That's the maximum. Brianna? For D? So if you look, when you draw the picture on your calculator, the maximum is shifted right. Okay, so right here, here's our graph. Let me zoom it in a little bit. See what's going on. Okay, so here's our graph. So in order to make this cosine, this maximum should have been over here. This maximum occurs at 3,25. So what had happened? The max started on the axis and it moved right. How much did it move right by? It moved right by 3 units. That's how we got a minus 3. Does that work, Brianna? Edgar, coming right to you in a second. Brianna? You sure? Okay, Edgar, coming to you now. Okay. Okay, so you got something that looks like this, okay?
Oh, I know.
Okay. Anything else on A through D, Chip? Quick, come on. What else on A through D? Okay, and here's part E from the back. Part E was on the back, that was that scenario. So here's question E. Double angle. 2 cos square minus 1. Okay. There are other ones. What did you put? And then did you put, it starts there, maybe 6? Do minus 6? What did you put? That's not going to work. because it doesn't start at the middle. Sinusoidal means either sine or cosine. You can pick either one. We use cosine because it said at t equals 2 we get the maximum. So the picture looks like this. Start here, get to the max, and then come down. So what happened? This point used to be at the box, and somehow it moved right. How much did it move right by? It moved right by 2, because it told me that at 2 I'm at the max. If it moves right, then you gotta have a minus sign. Okay, what else? Okay. Alright, so no other questions, so we'll take the rest of the time to work on homework due tomorrow. Other than that, at the last 2 minutes of class, I'll discuss the quiz correction and the exam correction, and we'll discuss it at that point. If there are questions, please let me know. Other than that, let's jump right in. Martyr, welcome to Shanley, welcome Eddie. Yes.
Yeah.
No, yeah. Yep. Shanley, question? How many you plug in negative 2 times there? So you're just saying, like, what is like f of 3, you plug in 3 there, f of 5, you plug in 5 there. Then you get add 2 by it.
For cognitive then you say something like figure and something the radiant or
Always radiant.